Friends, the crypto market has always been full of surprises and unexpected movements. Every single day, new updates come out that can completely shift the mood and expectations of millions of investors. And today, a major piece of news has surfaced for Shiba Inu holders, news that has the entire crypto community talking. Let's start with the hook. A massive Shiba Inu transaction has just taken place, and at the same time, former US President Donald Trump's name is being mentioned more and more in the crypto space. Yes, Donald Trump is now openly speaking about cryptocurrencies, and his statements could influence the market in different ways. For Shiba Inu holders, this has added even more excitement. The big question now is, could Shiba Inu actually reach new highs in the coming months? That's what we're going to break down in detail in this video, so make sure to watch until the very end. Shiba Inu entered the market almost 4 years ago. At first, many dismissed it as just another meme coin, but over time, its community grew stronger and stronger, and today Shiba Inu is one of the largest community-driven tokens in the entire crypto world. Millions of people are still holding on to it, showing their long-term belief in the project. Over the years, we've seen rallies of 200% and even 300% at times. But the reality is that Shiba Inu has still not managed to surpass its previous all-time high. This is why some investors lose patience and exit, while others continue to stay and wait. And that's exactly how the philosophy of the crypto market works. A coin might stay quiet for a very long period, giving the impression that nothing will ever happen. Then suddenly, out of nowhere, the market shows a massive movement. Sometimes these moves are designed to shake weak hands out of the market, and other times they mark the beginning of something bigger. Now let's talk about the latest development. Recently, a huge transaction was recorded. Around 3 trillion Shiba Inu coins were transferred from Coinbase to an unknown wallet. Friends, a transaction of this size is not small. When we see such massive transfers, it usually means that something significant is being planned in the background. It could be a move by institutional players, large whales, or part of a bigger strategy. Either way, this event has brought Shiba Inu back into the spotlight. And in the middle of all this, Donald Trump's name has once again entered the crypto discussion. Over the years, Trump has shared his opinions on cryptocurrencies, and more recently, he seems to be taking an even more active stance. The world knows that whenever a major political leader expresses support for an industry, it often boosts its popularity and adoption. That's why many Shiba Inu holders believe that if crypto gains political recognition and support, projects with massive communities like Shiba Inu could benefit in the long run. So here's the big question. Will Shiba Inu set a new record in September or October? The honest answer is, nobody can say for sure. The market is unpredictable. But what's certain is that this giant transaction, combined with the growing political attention from leaders like Donald Trump, has once again put Shiba Inu at the center of discussion. And when that happens, both holders and the market as a whole start watching more closely. So friends, what do you think? Could Donald Trump's supportive stance on crypto, together with this massive Shiba Inu transaction, actually impact the price in the coming months? Will Shiba Inu break its old record high, or will investors have to wait a little longer? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and remember, always do your own research before making any investment decisions. That's all for today. Stay safe, take care, and I'll see you in the next update.